Hi guys, this is my very first video. So I have created a very natural ethnic kind of a look. So at first you can see I use the Unlock Mixified Glow Serum on my face and I massage it well into my skin, and then I will be using the Wet n Wild concealer, and I will not be using any foundation for this look, just the concealer does the work. I will apply it on the high points of my face, and I'll use it to conceal the dark spots and pimple scars on my cheeks, under my eyes, on my chin, on my nose and on the temples. Now for blending it in, I will use a pat concealer brush and I will spray it with the NYX Dewy Finish spray and push the product into my skin while blending it well. You can see I am taking some time to do it. You have to take your own time. You cannot rush when you have to blend in concealers, or else they end up looking cakey. The only trick to have flawless base is to give that time into blending. Now you can see here that I am blending the concealer which I have put under my eyes in the very end. I did not do it first. I give some time to the concealer to settle into the areas under my eyes, and I blend it at the end after I am done applying concealer, blending it on all the problem areas of my face. I will do the under eyes last. I will also use the remaining concealer which is there in the brush on my lids. Now it's time to set everything with a loose powder. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder here, and you will notice that I am not using it all over my face, but just on my T-zone, which tends to become oily, and my under eyes where I have applied the concealer. It's time to do the brows. Now your eyebrows can make or break your look. So here I am using the Miss Claire brow cake, and I will be using the ash brown kind of a shade. I don't really use black on my eyebrows because it looks very unnatural and very out there. So I do not use black. I tend to use dark browns and ash browns on my brows. Now while doing my brows, I make sure that I keep it as natural as possible. I do not use a lot of harsh strokes towards the inner corner of my eyes. I try to keep it as natural as possible. Wherever I apply a lot of product by mistake, I use the spoolie brush to take away the product from there and lighten it and blend it in with the brows so that it does not look unnatural. It's blush time, so I have used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in the shade Sugar and Spice. Now this is a very pigmented blush palette. You will see me dusting off the product as and when I pick it up. I have used pink and peachy tones because these tones are really great for summers. It makes your skin look very, very fresh. For contouring, I have used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze. It is a nice cool toned brown which is perfect for soft contouring. You will see that I have not done that sculpted look which Instagram is famous for, but then I have kept it as natural as possible, just giving some shape to my face. You will see that I have also used this bronzer on my jawline so that I can sculpt out the jawline, which I don't have. For my favorite part, the highlighter, I have used the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in Molten Gold. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It is so pigmented, and you can go heavy with it or go light with it. There's nothing known as too much highlighter, so just do as you prefer. This highlighter is a nice gold toned one, which is also a very suitable highlighter for festive season. As you can see, I am applying the highlighter on the high points of my face, the bridge of my nose, on my cheekbone, on my chin, on my temples, on my brow bone, and also on my cupid's bow. I somehow like to use highlighter on my nose with my fingers. I just feel that a brush is not sufficient for using highlight on my nose. Even though it becomes a little strong and harsh, I try and blend it out with the help of a brush. Now this is my all-time favorite kajal, the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I simply love it. I have been using it for years now. I am a liner and a kohl person. I mean, they say you cannot be both, but I love using eyeliners as well as kajal. In today's look, I have used, I have just put on the kajal. I haven't used the liner, but I feel that this Colossal Kajal is very pigmented. I have even used the super black one, but then I feel this is my go-to kajal. I love it so much, and it doesn't smudge, so that is a very big plus point. It does not smudge at all. I will flick out the ends to give it a kind of that foxy eye makeup look. Now for the mascara, I am using the Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara by Maybelline. This has been one of my favorites. I don't know how many bottles of mascara I have used, but then this is actually my favorite. I will not be using falsies here, so you can see that I am using the mascara quite generously. I am in fact double coating my upper lashes. Now for the lipstick, I am using the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade Racy Rose. Now I am not someone who is into pinks. I am someone who loves the nudes and browns. But then for a change, I thought of using a pink lipstick today in order to match my blush. Now my second day hair was quite unmanageable, so I just straightened it out. The dupatta is from Chandigarh, and I just put on a bindi and a nice oxidized silver jhumka to complete the look. I have also added a pure silver nose pin. So this is my finished look. If you like it, please do not forget to follow. Bye.